Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have everything you need. Check that your laptop runs a modern OS, then place the cursor where you want the emoji. Press the system shortcut immediately. Windows users press the Windows key and period. Mac users press Control and Command and space. Once the picker appears, browse categories and search by typing a word like smile. Make sure to keep the text field active, otherwise the emoji won't insert. If nothing opens, try pressing the keys again deliberately, one after the other. Once the picker is open, focus on finding the emoji you want. Type a keyword to filter results quickly, or use arrow keys to move through categories. Click an emoji or press enter to insert it into the text field. This works in most apps and browsers. If you need variations, look for the modifier menu, choose a skin tone or gender when offered. Make sure the app accepts Unicode input. Otherwise, copy the emoji and paste it into apps that don't accept direct insertion. Finish by confirming the emoji appears as expected. Different apps render emoji differently, so double-check. If the emoji doesn't insert, click the emoji in the picker, copy it manually, then paste into the text box. If the picker won't open at all, restart the app, try the shortcut in another program, and update your operating system. Many issues come from outdated software. One last tip. Use the emoji in a plain text editor to test whether the problem is the app or the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.